This morning I'm walking in the lush Bunya Mountains. I am doing the Baker Creek circuit, which is around 9 to 10 k's. I've seen a couple of waterfalls so far, and I'm loving all the bird songs and all the running streams that are all about. Nature's own obstacle course, some trees over the pathway. See if I can navigate it. Ooh, under, over. Oh, it's a bit of a squeeze. I did it. Right next to the path is this splintered tree. Look how crazy. You can see inside it, and yonder is where the tree has fallen just off the track.